Today we're diving into something that's about to change the game in content creation. It's called Kling AI, and trust me, you're going to want to pay attention. So what exactly is Kling AI? In short, it's an AI-powered video generator that's turning the creative world on its head. But let's break it down. Kling AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to create high-quality, customized videos from just a few text prompts. Yeah, you heard that right. You type, it creates. But here's where it gets really interesting. Kling AI isn't just stitching together stock footage. It's generating entirely new visual content, including realistic human-like avatars, landscapes, and even abstract concepts. Let's say you need a spokesperson for your video but don't have the budget for actors or fancy equipment. No problem. Kling AI can generate a lifelike avatar, complete with natural speech patterns and facial expressions. And the best part? You can customize every aspect: age, ethnicity, clothing, voice, you name it. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Well, let's address the elephant in the room: the ethical implications. Like any powerful technology, Kling AI has its controversies. Critics worry about job displacement in the video production industry and the potential for misuse in creating deepfakes. But supporters argue it democratizes video creation, allowing small businesses and individuals to compete with big-budget productions. Speaking of which, let's look at some real-world applications, from product demos to educational content, marketing videos, to personal greetings. Kling AI is versatile enough to handle it all. But don't take my word for it. I've invited some early adopters to share their experiences. Now, you might be wondering about the learning curve. Well, I've got good news. Kling AI's interface is surprisingly user-friendly. Even if you've never edited a video in your life, you can create professional-looking content in minutes. Let me show you. I'm going to create a quick promo video right now, live. And done. In just a few minutes, we have a polished video ready to go. Pretty impressive, right? Now, I can already hear some of you asking, what about creativity? Won't this make everything look the same? Great question. While Kling AI is incredibly powerful, it's not meant to replace human creativity. Think of it as a tool, like Photoshop for video. It enhances and accelerates the creative process, but the vision still comes from you. In fact, some artists are already using Kling AI in ways its creators never imagined, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in video creation. So what's next for Kling AI? The company is tight-lipped about future updates, but industry insiders speculate we might see features like real-time video generation, integration with popular social media platforms, collaborative editing tools. The bottom line? Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or just someone who wants to make cool videos, Kling AI is a game changer you can't afford to ignore. Want to learn more AI video generators? Check out the link in the description below. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what would you create with Kling AI? Until next time, keep creating.